3 years ago, I lost $5,000 worth of camping equipment when my site was raided while I was hiking. No one believed me until I installed this headlamp with a hidden camera on my next trip. Today, I'm testing 7 James Bond-inspired spy cameras in real outdoor scenarios. Whether you're documenting wildlife, securing your campsite, or just want to capture adventures without carrying bulky equipment, these gadgets transform ordinary items into powerful recording tools that would make Q Branch proud. Welcome to Field Agent Training Recruit. Today marks your transition from classroom theory to real-world application. Every notable operative begins exactly where you are now, learning to navigate the delicate balance between observation and invisibility. Your first mission assignment takes you to a local park. Simple, open, seemingly innocent, yet filled with opportunities to test your surveillance capabilities. Parks represent the perfect training ground, public enough to provide cover, yet complex enough with their varied social interactions to challenge your skills. The objective is straightforward but requires precision document-specific interactions between park visitors without revealing your surveillance activity. Success depends not merely on capturing footage, but doing so while maintaining your cover as an ordinary park visitor. For this initial operation, you'll be equipped with the SpyCam Watch, the cornerstone tool in any field agent's collection. At first glance, it appears as nothing more than a stylish timepiece. The brushed metal casing and normal watch face provide the perfect disguise for the sophisticated camera lens positioned at the 12 o'clock mark. Let's address proper handling techniques. The primary challenge with wrist-mounted surveillance equipment is maintaining natural body positioning. Amateur agents often make the critical error of awkwardly angling their wrist towards subjects, immediately signaling their intentions. Instead, master the casual rest position, forearm resting naturally on your lap or a park bench, wrists slightly rotated outward to widen the camera's field of view. When walking, allow your arms to swing naturally while mentally noting when subjects enter your camera's frame. The 1920 by 1080 PhD resolution ensures that even without perfect framing, you'll capture usable intelligence. This high-definition capability means you can maintain greater distance from subjects, an essential tactic for remaining undetected during surveillance operations. The watch includes flexible recording options, single press activation for immediate recording or scheduled recording for predetermined operation windows. These options let you adapt to changing field conditions without constantly interacting with the device, a telltale sign of surveillance activity. What truly distinguishes this equipment from conventional recording devices is its advanced motion detection system. Rather than recording continuously and wasting storage on empty frames, the SpyCam watch utilizes passive infrared technology to identify meaningful activity. This system detects the natural heat signatures emitted by human bodies, triggering recording only when subjects enter the detection zone. When the system activates, you'll receive a silent vibration alert through the watch itself, subtle enough to avoid detection but sufficient to notify you of recording status. Simultaneously, an encrypted notification arrives on your paired smartphone, allowing you to monitor capture status without looking at the watch itself, maintaining your cover even during active surveillance. Consider this scenario. You've positioned yourself strategically near a park fountain, documenting an exchange between 2 subjects of interest. Suddenly, an unrelated person approaches your position. Without sophisticated motion detection, you might miss critical footage while attempting to reposition or accidentally reveal your surveillance activity by obvious manipulation of your equipment. With the SpyCam watch's infrared system, you maintain complete situational awareness. The approaching individual triggers an additional recording sequence and alert, while you maintain your cover as a person simply enjoying the park atmosphere. The system's 32 GB internal storage easily accommodates these multiple recording instances without requiring mid-mission maintenance. Let's address memory management, a critical but often overlooked aspect of field operations. The watch connects wirelessly to your smartphone through an encrypted protocol, allowing periodic transfers of accumulated footage without physical connection cables that might compromise your cover. This wireless capability means you can clear device storage during natural moments of privacy, such as a restroom visit, ensuring you never run out of recording capacity during extended operations. Battery management represents another crucial consideration. The watch maintains approximately 90 minutes of continuous recording capability, more than sufficient for most surveillance operations when combined with the motion-activated recording that conserves power during inactive periods. For extended missions, the watch can be recharged using any standard wireless charging pad, allowing for discrete power restoration during mission breaks. Weather resistance provides additional operational flexibility. The SpyCam watch features IPX4 water resistance, protecting against light rain and accidental splashes. This protection ensures functionality during unexpected weather changes or when your mission requires proximity to water features within the park environment. Audio capture capabilities complement the visual surveillance functions. Dual microphones positioned at opposite sides of the watch case provide stereo audio recording with impressive clarity at distances up to 10 feet in optimal conditions. This audio capacity allows you to document not just the visual elements of an interaction, but the accompanying conversation, often the most valuable intelligence component. When reviewing captured footage, you'll appreciate the timestamp and geolocation features automatically embedded in each recording. These metadata elements provide crucial context for your intelligence gathering, allowing precise documentation of when and where specific interactions occurred. This information becomes invaluable during debriefing or when compiling comprehensive surveillance reports. The true test of field equipment isn't just its technical capabilities, but how seamlessly it integrates into natural human behavior. The SpyCam watch excels in this critical aspect. It functions as an actual timepiece, displaying accurate time and date information. This genuine functionality supports your cover identity while providing legitimate reasons to periodically glance at your wrist. As you complete this initial field exercise, remember that mastery comes through practice. Each deployment of your equipment should become more natural, with less conscious thought required for proper positioning and activation. The objective is operational fluency, where the technology becomes a natural extension of your field presence rather than a device you must actively manage. Your watch training establishes basic surveillance technique, but advanced missions demand equipment with even greater concealment capabilities. In the world of covert operations, the difference between amateur and professional isn't just what you can see, it's your ability to remain completely undetected while seeing everything. Let's discuss the concept of social camouflage, the art of blending seamlessly into any environment while actively gathering intelligence. When conducting surveillance, the greatest threat to your mission isn't equipment failure, it's human perception. People instinctively notice anything unusual in their environment, especially objects pointed in their direction. This awareness makes traditional recording devices immediately suspicious. This is where the glasses SpyCam elevates your operational capability. Unlike your watch, which requires careful positioning, these glasses work from your natural line of sight. They represent the perfect marriage between form and function, serving as both legitimate eyewear and sophisticated recording equipment without compromising either purpose. What makes these glasses revolutionary is their complete departure from standard camera eyewear designs. Most commercial camera glasses give themselves away with obvious camera lenses, unusual frame thickness, or conspicuous buttons. The telltale glint of a lens catches light and immediately draws attention, essentially announcing, "I'm recording you," to anyone paying attention. Our glasses spy cam eliminates these design flaws. As the product description emphasizes, this is not an ordinary glasses. The difference lies in strategic camera placement. Rather than positioning the recording lens in the front frame or between the lenses, where it would be immediately visible, the camera is ingeniously concealed within the temple arm of the frame. This placement achieves two critical objectives. First, it eliminates the reflective glint that betrays most camera glasses. Second, it maintains the exact appearance of standard eyewear, allowing you to move through any environment without raising suspicion. You'll notice when wearing them that nothing about their external appearance suggests surveillance capability. The 65-degree recording angle has been specifically calibrated to match human peripheral vision. This means the camera captures exactly what you naturally see, creating footage that appears organic rather than the awkwardly framed video typical of body-worn cameras. This natural field of vision enhances the intelligence value of your recordings while eliminating the need for obvious camera adjustments. Let me demonstrate proper usage technique. Notice how I'm maintaining natural head movements while wearing the glasses. There's no need to stare directly at your subject. The 65-degree angle captures a wide enough field that slightly angling your head in the general direction achieves perfect framing. Avoid the rookie mistake of fixing your gaze too intensely on your target. Instead, practice casually scanning the environment while keeping your primary subject within the peripheral field. The high-definition 1080p resolution with integrated audio capture ensures that every detail of your mission is documented with exceptional clarity. The video quality matches what you'd expect from dedicated recording equipment, but without any of the attention-drawing characteristics. You can conduct extended surveillance operations while appearing to simply enjoy the scenery or read a newspaper. You might be wondering, how do you know when recording is active without obvious indicator lights that would compromise your cover? The designers solved this problem with an ingenious feature. The recording status indicator is visible only to the wearer. A subtle internal light provides confirmation without external visibility, allowing you to verify operation without revealing your activities. For extended deployments, the glasses maintain their disguise even during charging. The standard USB connection is hidden within the frame, allowing you to recharge the device without revealing its true nature. This design detail ensures that your cover remains intact even when the device is not actively in use. The most impressive aspect of the glasses SpyCam lies in its achievement of true social invisibility. Unlike most surveillance equipment that must be physically hidden from view, these glasses are designed to be seen while keeping their true purpose invisible. This reversal of traditional concealment strategy makes them extraordinarily effective in populated environments where hiding recording equipment would be impossible. This principle of hiding in plain sight represents the essence of advanced fieldcraft. The most effective disguise isn't one that attracts no attention, it's one that attracts exactly the expected amount of attention for what it appears to be. Glasses are expected on a face, so they draw no additional scrutiny when worn normally. This principle of expected presence versus unexpected absence forms the foundation of successful cover maintenance. When using the glasses SpyCam, remember that your body language must match your equipment's disguise. Maintain natural movement patterns. Adjust your glasses occasionally as anyone would, but avoid touching them immediately before or after capturing important footage. The microphones integrated into the frame will pick up nearby conversations without requiring you to position yourself awkwardly close to subjects. For maximum effectiveness, pair these glasses with appropriate contextual accessories. Carrying a book, newspaper, or mobile phone provides natural justification for remaining stationary in public spaces. These contextual props enhance your social camouflage by providing visual explanation for your presence and positioning. What truly distinguishes the Glasses spy cam from market alternatives is this comprehensive design philosophy. Every element serves both functional recording requirements and social disguise objectives without compromise. The concealed camera placement within the temple arm rather than the lens area fundamentally transforms how the device operates in field conditions. By eliminating the most obvious tell of surveillance equipment, the visible camera lens, these glasses achieve what most recording devices cannot complete: operational invisibility. While glasses provide perfect facial cover, extended surveillance operations face a critical vulnerability. Dehydration compromises focus and draws unwanted attention through visible discomfort. What if your most essential field accessory could simultaneously be your most powerful intelligence tool? Extended field operations demand equipment that maintains your cover through changing conditions and activities. The perfect surveillance tool must address a fundamental operational challenge. How do you record continuously in situations where holding or wearing cameras would immediately compromise your mission? The answer combines necessity with ingenuity. When conducting surveillance during hiking, camping, or extended outdoor activities, traditional recording devices become increasingly conspicuous. You can't constantly adjust your glasses or check your watch without drawing attention. More importantly, these devices aren't suited for the physical demands of outdoor missions. This is where the water bottle spy cam transforms your tactical approach. Unlike previous tools we've examined, the water bottle spy cam solves multiple operational problems simultaneously. Its primary function as a hydration vessel provides the perfect justification for its presence in any outdoor scenario. Who would question an agent carrying water during extended field operations? This practical disguise creates opportunities for placement that other devices simply cannot match. Proper deployment maximizes this tool's effectiveness. When conducting surveillance, position the bottle with its concealed camera facing your subject while you appear to rest or hydrate. The bottle can be placed on tables, rocks, or any flat surface while you maintain a natural posture nearby. Since drinking from a water bottle requires periodic handling, you gain perfect opportunities to adjust recording angles without arousing suspicion. The technical capabilities elevate this device beyond simple concealment. The 4K high-definition video recording captures exceptional detail at 15 to 30 frames per second, ensuring that facial features, documents, or environmental elements are preserved with crystal clarity. This resolution allows for effective digital zooming during analysis, without compromising image quality, crucial when extracting intelligence from footage captured at variable distances. What transforms this device from merely covert to operationally superior is its built-in Wi-Fi functionality. Unlike traditional recording equipment that requires physical access to retrieve footage, the water bottle spy cam connects directly to your smartphone or tablet. This wireless capability allows you to monitor the camera feed in real time from a distance, giving you unprecedented operational flexibility. Imagine conducting surveillance from across a campsite or trail rest area. While the bottle records from its strategically placed position, you can maintain complete situational awareness by viewing the feed on your device without ever approaching the camera. This separation between agent and equipment creates an additional layer of operational security that previous generations of field operatives could only dream about. Adaptability to mission requirements comes through versatile memory options. The SpyCam water bottle accommodates storage capacities ranging from 4 GB to 128 GB, allowing you to configure the device according to your specific intelligence gathering needs. A short observation mission might require minimal storage, while deep cover operations could utilize maximum capacity for days of continuous recording without needing to transfer data. The camera's placement represents the culmination of covert design principles. Unlike obvious recording devices with visible lenses that immediately betray their purpose, the water bottle spy cam's camera is integrated seamlessly into the bottle's exterior. The engineering team has applied the principle of expected presence to perfect the design. Everyone expects a water bottle to have texture variations, logos, and functional elements. These expected features provide perfect camouflage for the recording components. Field testing reveals the bottle's effectiveness even under scrutiny. When subjects look directly at the bottle, they register only a normal hydration container. This psychological advantage cannot be overstated, even when your recording device is in plain sight. It remains functionally invisible because it triggers no suspicion or second glance from targets. The true operational advantage becomes apparent during extended surveillance. While your glasses might become conspicuous during physical activities and your watch faces limitations in positioning, the water bottle maintains perfect cover throughout changing scenarios. During hiking, it sits naturally in your pack's side pocket, recording continuously. At rest areas, it stands on tables or rocks while capturing conversations. Even during social interactions, holding or drinking from the bottle creates natural opportunities to direct the camera precisely where needed. This operational flexibility extends to environmental adaptability. The bottle functions effectively across varying light conditions, from bright sunlight to dusk, maintaining recording quality where other devices might struggle with glare or diminished visibility. The housing provides sufficient protection against light moisture and normal handling, ensuring function even in field conditions. For maximum effectiveness, pair the water bottle spy cam with complementary devices from your arsenal. Use your glasses for initial reconnaissance and subject identification, then deploy the bottle for extended coverage once positions are established. The watch can serve as your notification center, alerting you when the bottle's motion detection activates while keeping your phone concealed. Advanced users will appreciate the strategic placement opportunities unique to this device. Unlike wearable cameras that remain connected to your person, the water bottle can be abandoned strategically, left behind as you appear to temporarily step away, creating recording opportunities impossible with body-mounted equipment. This separation capability transforms your surveillance approach from purely mobile to a hybrid system combining mobile and static elements. Consider the operational security implications of this design. When surveillance equipment appears to be performing its expected function, in this case holding water, it creates a perfect cover for its true purpose. The bottle doesn't need to be hidden because its presence raises no questions, allowing you to place your recording device in optimal positions without concerns about discovery. This psychological invisibility represents the highest achievement in covert equipment design. By embedding advanced recording technology within an object whose presence is not just accepted but expected, the water bottle spy cam achieves what dedicated cameras simply cannot: complete integration into normal activity patterns without behavioral adaptation requirements from the operative. When darkness descends, even the most sophisticated daytime surveillance equipment becomes compromised. The line between remaining undetected and being able to see anything at all grows dangerously thin, a problem that has traditionally forced agents to choose between mission success and operational security. Night operations present unique challenges that separate novices from professionals. Conventional cameras struggle with low light, forcing a choice: remain invisible and capture nothing of value, or activate obvious illumination that immediately gives away your position. This fundamental limitation has been the downfall of countless surveillance attempts when the sun sets. Consider the typical scenario. You've positioned yourself perfectly to monitor activity at a remote campsite or trail junction. Your daytime gear has served you well, but as darkness falls, your options diminish rapidly. Traditional night vision equipment is bulky, suspicious, and entirely out of place in casual outdoor settings. Smartphone flashlights are conspicuous and immediately signal your presence and attention direction. This is precisely where the rechargeable headlamp spycam transforms a liability into an advantage. Unlike specialized surveillance equipment that raises immediate questions, a headlamp is not only accepted but expected in outdoor nighttime environments. Hikers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts naturally wear headlamps after dark, creating the perfect cover for covert recording operations. The genius lies in its ordinary appearance, combined with extraordinary capabilities. The rechargeable headlamp spycam delivers illumination through its 3-watt LED light with an effective range of 5 to 10 meters. This practical light output isn't merely a disguise but serves a genuine function, providing clear visibility in dark environments while simultaneously justifying why you're pointing a recording device directly at your subject of interest. The natural positioning of a headlamp, directly at eye level and oriented wherever you look, creates the ideal camera angle without suspicious adjustments. What truly elevates this device beyond ordinary headlamps is its integrated infrared sensor system. This innovative feature enables completely hands-free operation, allowing you to activate or deactivate the light with a simple wave gesture. During sensitive operations, minimizing physical interaction with your equipment reduces detection risk substantially. No need to reach up and touch suspicious buttons or switches. A natural movement that could appear to be simply adjusting your hair or wiping your brow activates your recording equipment. Their practical advantages extend far beyond mere convenience. When tracking movement or monitoring activity in the field, the ability to control your equipment without breaking natural motion patterns maintains your cover even under close observation. This hands-free capability represents a significant operational advantage that preserves the appearance of normal outdoor activity. Power management remains a critical concern during extended field operations, and the headlamp spycam addresses this with impressive battery performance. With the light activated, you can maintain continuous operation and recording for 3 to 4 hours, sufficient for most nighttime surveillance windows. More impressively, with the light deactivated, recording capability extends to 8 to 9 hours, allowing for complete overnight documentation when necessary. This flexibility creates tactical options unavailable with standard equipment. You can illuminate your surroundings when movement or activity justifies the light's use, then switch to stealth recording mode when the situation demands complete darkness. The extended recording capacity with the light off proves invaluable when documenting nighttime activity without drawing attention to your position. Video quality remains uncompromised despite the challenging lighting conditions. The integrated camera captures crisp 1080p resolution footage at 30 frames per second, utilizing a 2.0 CMOS sensor that maximizes available light. The H.264 compression format ensures efficient storage of this high-definition footage while maintaining detail necessary for intelligence analysis. Speaking of storage, the headlamp spycam offers multiple memory configurations to match your operational requirements. Available in 32 GB, 64 GB, and 128 GB variants, the device provides appropriate capacity for missions ranging from quick reconnaissance to extensive surveillance operations. This adaptability allows you to balance storage needs against mission duration without compromising video quality. The physical design incorporates another crucial feature often overlooked in standard equipment: adjustability. With a rotation angle of 45 degrees in both upward and downward directions, the headlamp can be precisely positioned to capture your intended field of view, regardless of your head position or surrounding terrain. This flexibility proves essential when maintaining natural posture, while ensuring your subject remains perfectly framed. When conducting operations in unpredictable outdoor environments, weather resistance becomes a critical factor. Unlike electronic devices that must be protected from moisture, the headlamp spy cam features IPX6 waterproofing, allowing it to withstand heavy rain and water splashing from any direction. This weather resistance ensures continued operation regardless of environmental conditions, eliminating a common point of failure in field equipment. This durability extends the operational envelope significantly. While other surveillance equipment must be sheltered or protected during adverse weather, your headlamp's presence remains natural and justified even in heavy rain. The camera and electronics remain fully functional, capturing evidence while conventional equipment would be compromised or conspicuously protected. Consider how this transforms a practical field scenario. You're monitoring activity at a remote location during a rainstorm. Other operatives would be forced to retreat or reveal their purpose by obviously protecting their equipment. With the headlamp spy cam, you continue normal movement patterns, maintain your cover and document activity without interruption, a significant tactical advantage in adverse conditions. The combination of these features, practical illumination, hands-free operation, extended battery life, high-resolution recording, adjustable positioning, and weather resistance, creates a surveillance tool that functions effectively while appearing entirely ordinary. This is the essence of covert equipment design devices that perform legitimate functions so well that their secondary purpose remains completely concealed. For night operations in particular, the psychological aspect cannot be overlooked. People expect headlamps in dark environments and naturally assume their purpose is illumination. This expectation creates the perfect cover for a recording device, as observers automatically categorize and dismiss the equipment before considering its surveillance potential. Stealth in social situations presents challenges that even darkness cannot match. Unlike remote nighttime surveillance, where distance provides safety, mingling among your subjects requires equipment that vanishes into your personal appearance. Because when everyone can see you clearly, your only protection is their assumption that you couldn't possibly be recording them. Social surveillance represents the pinnacle of covert operations. While natural environments offer cover and concealment, social gatherings strip away these advantages, leaving you exposed among watchful eyes. Every movement becomes scrutinized, every interaction potentially revealing your true purpose. This heightened risk demands not just specialized equipment, but refined techniques that maintain your cover while capturing critical intelligence. Enter the mini necklace spy cam, perhaps our most elegant solution for high-risk social infiltration. Unlike utilitarian equipment designed for outdoor environments, this device transforms a potential vulnerability, your visibility, into your greatest asset. By disguising sophisticated recording technology as fashionable jewelry, you create what intelligence professionals call social camouflage, hiding not through concealment but through expectation. Notice how the necklace hangs naturally at mid-chest level, positioning the camera at an ideal height for capturing conversations across a table or documenting interactions at eye level when seated. This optimal placement requires no unnatural posturing that might betray your intentions. When worn properly, the pendant appears to be nothing more than an attractive accessory, drawing exactly the right kind of attention, admiration for your style rather than suspicion of your purpose. The device's 120-degree wide-angle lens represents a significant tactical advantage in crowded social environments. Unlike conventional cameras that require direct aiming, this expanded field of view allows you to capture subjects positioned to your left and right without turning to face them. This capability proves invaluable when monitoring multiple targets simultaneously or documenting group dynamics where direct observation might expose your interest in particular individuals. Consider the application during a formal gathering. While appearing engaged in conversation with one subject, you're simultaneously recording interactions occurring to your periphery. The wide-angle perspective ensures comprehensive scene capture without suspicious camera movements that would instantly compromise your position. This passive recording technique allows you to maintain natural social engagement, the key to successful infiltration. The Mini Necklace Spy Cam elevates your operational capabilities further through its Wi-Fi connectivity. This feature introduces a new dimension to covert surveillance by enabling what intelligence professionals call handler oversight, the ability for mission coordinators to view and direct your surveillance activities in real time from a secure remote location. Imagine executing a complex intelligence gathering operation where multiple operatives must coordinate their positions without obvious communication. With remote viewing enabled, your team leader can monitor footage streams from several agents simultaneously, directing movements through discrete communication channels while maintaining complete situational awareness. This capability transforms isolated surveillance into a coordinated intelligence network without compromising individual covers. The remote viewing function serves another critical purpose, maintaining operational security. By allowing handlers to access footage without